Can you tell Daddy how?
Cheese.
Cheese, that's right.
Fish.
Cheese. Can you tell Daddy how was Mia sick today?
I guess food and food. I guess.
Is that how Mia was sick?
Yeah.
Yeah, poor Mia.
What was wrong with Mia?
The oxygen push my guy.
Oh, she pushed Micah.
Oh.
How did you play at Primrose today? Did you play like this today? Oh, that's how she pushed him?
Yeah.
That wasn't very nice.
No.
Can you get down and show me how you played at
How
Primrose?
did you play at Primrose today?
Say hi, Dad.
Oh, that's what Micah did.
Yeah. My dad, that's great.
Great. Will you show Daddy how did you play at Primrose today? Did you play like this?
No.
How'd you play?
This.
That's some good playing.
And what was wrong with Mia today?
I want me a sick day.
How was she sick?
I guess cough. Cough. I guess.
Very good. Can you say night-night to Daddy?
I know.
Where is Daddy?
But
Did Miss Wright have a cough?
I know. Just Mia.
Just Mia had a cough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, fun.
Night-night.
Fun.
Night-night.
Can you tell Daddy I love you?
Fun. 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 Fun.